Hi everyone, this is an unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Duo. I bought this on Amazon for around 350 USD or around 550 Australian dollars. The store I bought it from was Beach Camera Store, I think. It looks like it's brand new and sealed, which is good. You might see like it's a bit scruffed up. This device is came out in 2020 with 2019 specs. It was pretty expensive when it first came out, but now I got on a pretty good deal, so I thought I'll check it out. A dual screen Microsoft device, you know. This is hard. Yep. Apologies, I'm unboxing with just one hand, but it is what it is, you know. I see a drop. There it is, the Microsoft Surface Duo. Oh, that's the device itself. What's in the box? Let's have a look. Okay, so it comes with a bumper. Guessing that's a bumper. The case thing that it comes with. It actually comes with a power brick, I think. Something that most modern flagships are missing. Yep, that's a power brick in there. It's probably like some instruction manuals. And it comes with a USB cable. So yeah, this box does look pretty brand new. It's not been repackaged, which is good. Hasn't been refurbished, I guess. As for the device itself, looks pretty flawless. Let's give it an open. Wow, it's very glossy. It's very nice in the hand, actually. If I maybe open this. One sec. Focus, yep. See, that's what it looks like. Where is this stuff to? Wow, this is nice, guys. It feels very premium. The hinge is like, oh, it's really nice to hold. Let's do a 360. Ooh. See, when you close the lid, it's like has a satisfying thud. You know when there's cars, the car doors have like a nice thud when you close it? It's like that. Oh, that's awesome. Alright, I'm gonna give this a setup, and maybe I'll make more videos for this. Cheers.